Everyone, today let's understand such a useful feature in Notion as synchronized blocks. What does this block represent? It means that we can edit a block in one place and copy of the same block no matter if it is on this page or another. Let me show in detail with an example because there are some nuances. Let's copy the link to this block and, for example, let's transfer it to the dashboard. Press Ctrl V and we are prompted to link to this block. When we click on this synchronized block, we will go to a specific block, or we can insert this block as a synchronized block. That way we will have it displayed here. Let's uncheck this box, let's go to the synchronized block section, and here we also have no check marks. This is very convenient. The same story with tables. Let's say we have a habit tracker like a database. We can add it to the dashboard, for example. Here we have it added here. And now, for example, if we mark a habit as completed on the dashboard, it will also be marked as completed on the database page. In other words, all the data is synchronized, but at the same time we don't synchronize such things as sorting and filtering. Suppose we have habits in the form of a table. If we swap the habits in this view, they won't even show up on the dashboard. We don't even have this view here. But if we had this view, if we created a table view on this database like this, we can see that we have running in the first place. Whereas in the database we have had meditation in the first place for a long time. And this is not very convenient. Let's figure out how to synchronize tables and other kinds of databases. To do this, we press /right synchronized block, select synchronized block, put slash again and select our database. For example, this would be table view and habit database. Now that we have moved our database into the synchronized block, notice it's highlighted in red. Let's insert it into the new location. To do this, we click on the menu and choose copy and synchronize. Our block together with its contents will be copied to the clipboard. Now insert the cursor on the empty space and press Ctrl V or Command V to paste the content, and here you need to select paste and synchronize. That's it. Now we have a new block synchronized with the old block. Here it is, the old block. For example, let's say we put 8 hours of sleep first and meditation last, and we immediately have a change in that synchronized block. Let's try to move it to another page. Again, select our block and choose copy and synchronize. The block has been copied to the clipboard. Let's move on to the habit. Here we have everything the same as it was. Meditation comes first, so we select an empty space and press Ctrl V. Insert our synchronized block and notice we have got the entire view copied. We have sleep at the first place, just like we did on dashboard. Let's change some things again. For example, let's sort by in ascending order of date. Let's check in dashboard, and we have this view sorted in ascending order on dashboard as well. That's all I wanted to show you today about synchronized blocks. If you still have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments. Thank you for watching, good luck and have a nice day.